Hello everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm going to highlight a new arrival to the dealership. Stock number is CP17395T. It's a used 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Limited with a rear entry ramp put in by FR Mobility. It is ceramic gray in color. It's 17-inch alloy wheels. Got the privacy glass all around the rear backup sensors. You also have power lift gate. Open that up. Inside you got easy operation. You got two pistol grips here and another one over here, and you can get the sturdy ramp, HD rubber flooring. You got a two-piece bench here, which is nice if you're not using the chair, and if you are using the chair, well, it's hard to do with one hand, but you can flip that up and the wheelchair will go in. You got the easy locks down in there to lock it in the spot. You also have a 12-volt power outlet. You've got USB and HDMI power ports there. Yeah, power sliding door. Get your two bucket seats inside. Armrest. This does have the panoramic roof up here as well. Look on the inside. You got full power seats on both sides. They are heated and ventilated as well. You got your HVAC controls, lane keep assist, park assist, remote start, traction control. All that is right here on your dash. You got console down here, wireless charging port, USB and USB-C ports, auxiliary ports, cup holders, more storage, coin holders, charging ports. And on your steering wheel, you have all your controls for your adaptive cruise, your voice recognition for your Bluetooth hands-free phone call, radio controls, power mirrors, windows and locks. You have your, you can pair your garage door opener right to your van. Again, we're looking at stock number CP17395T. I'm Lucas Purden. Come visit me at Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Piqua, Ohio, or you can visit us online at paulsherryconversionvans.com or give Lucas a call at 937-778-0830, extension 1129. Thanks for watching.